Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my Birchbox versus Ipsy unboxing for May of 2018. So guys, I have my Ipsy versus Birchbox unboxing for May of 2018 today for you guys, and I feel like we're on kind of like a yellow theme. It's interesting for sure, and Ipsy has a little bit of postcard stuff going on. Birchbox is just kind of a yellow box. So we're gonna go ahead and open Birchbox first, kind of see what's in there, see what we think. And you guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you like these videos, smash that like button. Soak in the sunshine is what it says right here. The box smells really good. Why does it smell so good? Something in here smells good. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is this N4 High Performance Hair Care. So just a little texturizing spray bottle. It says the full size is $22. This is definitely not the full size, but it's just kind of a sea salt spray. So those are things that actually do well on my hair. So I'm actually excited about this, and I think it might be what smells good. I think it's part of what smells good. I definitely like how this smells, and I'm excited to get to try it out. Okay, second thing I see in here is this tiny little thing. It says Hanalei Lip Treatment Clear. So it's just kind of a lip gloss or a lip balm. Yeah, not super excited about the size of that. It says the full size is $20, but again, this is definitely not the full size. It says enriched with tropical botanicals like cuckoo oil, moisturizing agave and grapeseed oil for protection against radicals. This formula will give you the softest lips ever. So definitely a good thing to get. My lips have been dry lately, so this will definitely help with that. But yeah, I'm not excited about the size. I feel like it's way too small. The next thing I see in here is this Clarins One-Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. I think this is the other part of what smells good. It smells kind of like oranges. So this is definitely a small size as well. I've heard really good things about this brand, but haven't really tried a whole lot from them before. It says it's a one-step gentle exfoliating cleanser with orange extract. The full size is $38. So I love the smell of this, and I think that will be 90% of the reason why I enjoy it. But it's a bit small to get to try multiple times. I feel like I'm gonna run out really quick, maybe just after 1 or 2 washes. So that's not a good thing. I like to be able to try something multiple times so I know whether or not I actually like it. Yeah, and I feel like that is where Birchbox fails a little bit, is in the sizes of their samples. You don't quite get to try things as many times as you need to know if you actually want to spend the money on the full-size product. The next thing I see in here is this B-Tan. It's Love a Daily Moisturizer that makes me glow. So it's a gradual tanning moisturizer. Interesting. Interesting. Uses hydrating self-tanner lotion for your body every day to achieve a gradual bronze glow without the telltale smell. It says the full size is $17. This is definitely not the full size, and this is supposed to be used for your body. I was thinking it was a face tanning lotion. For that, I was like, yeah, it's a really decent size. I'm happy with that. But it's meant for your body, not your face, so I don't know about you guys, but that's not gonna cover very much of my body. I have a very long body. My legs go on a long time, so this may not work very well for me just because I don't think there's gonna be enough of it to use enough times to get a gradual tan. The full-size item of this is pretty expensive, but you know, maybe 2 samples so that I can actually cover my entire body with it more than once, because with a gradual tanner, you can't really see the results in one use. You kind of have to use it multiple times to be able to see the results. But it is only a $10 box, so that's still good. This is a good value to get. It's a very decent size. It's something different than we normally get, so I feel like that's very good, but I wish it was bigger. That's it. And the last thing I'm seeing in here is this LOC Liquid Shimmer Shadow. So this is just a liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the color Eclipse. Looks really pretty. Maybe I'll throw some of this on right now. Why not? Over my current makeup. Why not? Hopefully it does not ruin everything. This is not supposed to crease as well. It's supposed to be creaseless. So that's nice. I feel like that went on pretty easy, and it's drying down pretty quick. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that, so that's a good thing. I think it's really pretty. I like the color a lot. The full size of this is $10. This is not a full size, but I'd say it's probably half at least. So I think that's a good deal. So out of these things, the thing I liked the most was definitely the liquid eyeshadow. The other stuff, I feel like I could take it or leave it. Not great things. I didn't hate anything. I felt like the sizes of these two items were a little bit tiny, but in general, it was just kind of a meh box. I don't really feel strongly either way about it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's just meh, you know? I do like this though. I'm gonna use this a lot. So let's go ahead and jump right into Ipsy here. The bag is really cute, as I said before, kind of like a faux leather type thing. And we got a little thing that says go there, and there's pictures of people, places. It's a travel-y type thing, which makes sense with the little postcards on the front, travel themed. That's so funny because Glossy Box was travel themed this month too. So the first thing I have in here is a brush. I think it says Schmish Glam or something like that. But it's this little brush. It's got purple on the end, turquoise in the middle. It's got a couple like diamondy things here. You know, personally this is not a ton my style. I just feel like there's a little bit too much going on here for a makeup brush. Too many different things with the little rhinestones and everything. But generally it's cute. It's just, I'm not sure if it's me cute, you know? But that's a good value to get a full-size brush in the bag. I would say the brush probably pays for the rest of the bag. Next thing I see is this Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow in Goldie. This is an Elizabeth Mott shadow. I've gotten a couple of these before, I believe from Ipsy, and I've liked them, but I need to put them in some sort of palette or something because I haven't done that yet. It feels really creamy, a lot like the other shadows that I've gotten. Very nice, very creamy. Ooh, really, really pigmented. Do you guys see that? That's nuts. That is so nuts. I definitely love that. I'm going to use it. I just need to figure out a place to put it where I can see it to use it, because if I don't see it, I'm not going to use it. But I would say that those are at least, you know, $4 or $5 worth of shadow. So we're doing pretty good. The next thing I see in here is this Dr. Lip Organic Nipple Balm for dry skin, lips, and glossy bits. So I've gotten this before as well. I think this is a little bit bigger of a container than I've gotten before, but I have a similar complaint to this as I did about the lip balm that was in the Birchbox. I feel like it's not huge. So just so you guys know, Ipsy can make this mistake too of giving you really, really small sizes of things. That's not Birchbox's problem exclusively. So I'll get use out of it, but I wish it was bigger. The next thing I found in here is this Akar Skin Nutrient Boost Eye Serum. So that's kind of cool. I like getting serums and stuff just because I feel like they're really, really good for your skin. And an eye serum is always good because I am at that point in my life where I'm starting to get a little bit of wrinkles going on down there. But can we just remark on how tiny this is? This is the tiniest little serum I've ever seen. Seriously, do we see how little this guy is? He's just so tiny. So itty bitty. So yeah, not super excited about that size either, but I like the product. I think it's a fun thing to get, but again, I wish it was bigger. Maybe I'm just being spoiled by BoxyCharm. Maybe BoxyCharm is just spoiling me. The last thing I have in here is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the color London. And so that is what that looks like. It's just kind of a little medium brown shade. I'm gonna try to wipe off a little bit of what I have right now so that I can try this on for you. I think this color is pretty cute. I really like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams in general. I feel like they're very comfortable to wear. And this color, I like it, but I feel like it's more of a fall shade than it is a summer shade. So it would have been nice to get something summer shade, but I do enjoy it and I think it's a good value because these I think are at least $5. So that's half the box right there. I think we definitely got over $10 in this box. I did get a full-size lip item and a full-size makeup brush, so 2 out of 5 full-size items. I think that's pretty good. To me, that makes Ipsy a success and the winner out of the two. So let me know, you guys, if you agree. Did Ipsy win? Did Birchbox win? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. So I think with the 2 full-size items in the Ipsy, that kind of pulled it ahead. Also, I got more makeup related things, which is a little bit more fun for me, and this really awesome eyeshadow. So I liked Ipsy this month, and I think I've gotten better bags in the past, but this one was definitely good and worth way more than the $10. So you guys, that's it for this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you have not already. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!